Hi, I'm here to show you how you can save time with your Thermomix. Today I'm going to make a chicken korma and it will cook quicker than you can order it from your local takeaway. Okay, so first of all, we have found our chicken korma onto Cookidoo and let's just press start. And we're going to use some ghee, which you can make in your Thermomix, and just pop in straight in and measure it from the Thermomix scale. Next, we're going to put in all our aromatics. So we've got some bay leaves, some cloves and some chilli and some ginger. And then we'll pop in our brown onion, which has just been cut into 1 centimetre wedges. We're placing in some unsalted roasted cashews. Chili's already in there, and some salt and some turmeric. Now we're going to high heat. The great thing about the high heat is going to create that caramelisation, it's going to get that sizzle, and that's going to be the first step for flavour for our curry. So on the top, I've just placed the splash guard. We've got the time, the temperature, and we just turn the dial, and that's going to saute for us. That's all now done. Let's take a look and see how it looks. So that's caramelised beautifully, and it smells amazing. So next, we'll just give that a scrape around the base of the bowl, just to remove all that yumminess that's at the base of the bowl there. And then we'll add some tomato paste. So this is the second layer of flavour and depth that we're adding to our curry. And then 20 grams of a korma blend, which the recipe is also on Cookidoo, so you can make your own. Pop on the lid and the measuring basket. And the temperature set to 120, and that's just going to saute through for another 2 minutes to create those flavours. Okay, now that we've cooked off our curry powder and that's developed and mixed through our onions, we're ready to add the next layer, which is the cream, and that's going to give it a real soft, subtle flavour for our korma. We're just going to pop in the cream straight in the bowl and some natural yogurt. Let's pop the measuring cup in because we're now going to blend. We're going to create that real silky, silky, smooth curry sauce that we all love. Okay, so that's now blended. We have that beautiful silky sauce. So we're just going to scrape off any excess off the lid and just scrape down the sides of the bowl. And then we can add in our chicken. So let's remove the measuring cup. Just pop on the simmering basket on the lid. And we'll just set that for 12 minutes on reverse, and it's going to cook on 100 degrees, and that's just going to cook through. Okay, that's it. Our korma is cooked quicker than you can order a takeaway. So we're just going to pop in some garam masala and just stir that through. It's a bit like salt and pepper. It's the Indian version of seasoning, so it just gives us that flavour, that extra level to our curry. We can just give that a quick stir, and then we'll just transfer this into a dish, ready to serve. Pop in a bit of coriander and serve it with your favourite steamed rice. Okay, so that is our korma, and there's heaps more recipes on Cookidoo just like this that can save you time. Just remember to change your filters to less than 30 minutes and you can get those quick, speedy dinners for your midweek meals.